up YouTube? Welcome back to MP World and welcome to another solution based video on my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to fix your proximity sensor is not working on your iPhone. On my hand this is iPhone 14 Pro Max and this phone is having dynamic island, which is really cool, but unfortunately my phone proximity sensor is not working. That means like if I call somebody, that time my phone display light is not turning off, which is really not cool. So I will show you a few steps to fix this problem and I hope this will work perfectly on your iPhone. Before that, let me show you how it's not working. So let me call my friend, then you will get to know how it's not working. So I'm calling my friend and I'm blocking this sensor area, but the proximity sensor is not working. It means there is a problem. Again, I'm calling my friend. See, I'm completely blocking this area, but it's not working. The light is still on. So, which is really not cool. I will go for the force restart first. And for force restarting, you have to press the up volume button and the down volume button. And now quickly press and hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo. And if you see the Apple logo, you have to release your finger from the lock button. And I hope this method will work. Okay, here let me call my friend again. Okay, I'm calling my friend again and I'm blocking the sensor area. Still the proximity sensor is not working. That means there is a different problem. So the second thing, you have to make sure on your iPhone your sensor area is not blocked. So if you use the screen guard or screen protector, so that can block your sensor, like if it's thick. So I'm removing the screen guard from my iPhone. Now let's see what happens, and I hope this time it will work perfectly. Let me call my friend again. Here it's not working. I'm blocking the sensor area, but still the proximity sensor is not working. I don't know what happened here. So okay, the third method, I will reset my iPhone from the settings. So from settings you have to go inside the general and scroll down. At the end you will get the reset option here at the bottom, and you have to just press your iPhone passcode. And no need to worry about your data. You won't lose any single data from this reset. So you will get the fresh setup from this reset, and this will take 30 seconds. And let's see, I hope the last option, this will work perfectly. Let's see. So after all this, I'm calling and it's working now. So it's working perfectly, and hope you like this video. And if you get any trouble, please let me know in my comment section below. I will obviously try to help you as much as I can, and I will come with another solution based video. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy.